Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Hopefully you are having a nice weekend in Canada. We are having a long weekend. Also in US, you will have another few days off. So hopefully you are having a nice time with your friends and family. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk quickly about ticker symbol Btbt, and we know that Bitcoin has been running. If you look at last 5 days, it is up 1%, last 1 month 12%, last 6 months 83%, right? So we know this is running. So if I look at Btbt, the same thing, Bit Digital, you can see that last 6 months up 576%. So Bitcoin was up 83%, but that thing actually went 5.7 times. Even last 1 month, 19%. So I'm gonna talk about the chart, mostly the support, resistance, how it is looking like, so that you can make some money. And if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, I have a Discord community for day trading, swing trading, stock and option. Give a try. Use the link patreon.com/slash the stock analyst. You can go there, sign up and get access to our Discord. We do option a lot. We have a few nice option analysts here. They are really killing the market. They are making a lot of money with their option. So this is a good one. You should try. You can see like so many channels we have, so that we can all make some money together. So first of all, looking at the BTBT chart, it looks really nice. You can see that the stock price actually came below all the way to 0.42, and from there now almost 4.2. 10 times move from there. Even if you look at the strong support at $1, from there 4 times movement. I'm going to talk about the chart. Before that, let's look at few things here. First of all, if you look at the short interest, the short interest is currently at 14.56%. The short interest is really high. Last 3 months, the short interest has gone up by 25%, right? It is increasing. Even in last 7 days, you can see the short interest actually went up 31%, meaning that the stock price is going higher and the shorts are shorting it even more. Means that if there is more volume and the stock price goes higher, they might short it even higher. But if they start covering, this thing can run. That is why when you see Bitcoin up 83% for last 6 months, the stock up 576%. So anyway, this is the case for short interest. The cost to borrow utilization is not that exciting, but if you look at the stock and the volume, you can see that the stock does not get a lot of volume. In one day it got volume something like 20 million in one particular day. After that, the volume is mostly above 5 million, right? It's nothing crazy. You can say, okay, the volume is just crazy. If you look at last 1 year, the volume is always like 15-20. The volume is never that crazy, okay? But within 1 year, we are getting some nice volume. You can see the trend, it is getting more volume. And finally, if I want to see the option side, the option expiry is quite far. So let's talk about the price action. First of all, if you look at the daily chart, if you look at the daily chart and the EMA cloud 921 normally I use, you can see that the stock is holding the cloud. It is going up, then coming down, and again bouncing from the cloud. So the cloud is holding like a support. As long the cloud is green, it is looking really nice. If you look at MACD at the bottom, you can also see that the buying pressure came when the stock was around $3. Then the stock went almost like $5, and zero point 0.5 is the MACD line here. Now it is curling down, and the buying pressure at the very bottom, you can see that the greens are bars are getting lower. Means that there might be a dip. So you should prepare for your dip. Once it dips, you can just grab something with a tight stop loss so that you can make some money. But if you look at the chart, you can see that many times on a daily, like it went up and came below, like as an instant here, right? It came to the below or close to many places. Like you can see that, right? At the bottom of the daily chart EMA, which is, I think I'm using 21 most probably. Yeah. So 21. So I just want to say, you wait for these to come, those areas, then you enter, right? And just looking at the daily chart, it looks like, first of all, if it comes at the bottom, maybe 3.65, you expect some bounce, or if it breaks, it might come all the way to $3 where it has some kind of support, right? $3. If I show you the bigger picture, maybe it will convince you, because if it can hold these current levels, I'm going to adjust it right around here, like 3.9 area. If it can hold this particular 3.9 to 4 area, it can go towards $5. After 5 it has some room all the way to $6, $7, because look at the chart. Many times actually it ran a lot. From $4 it went to $32, again it came back to $4, went to $20. So the stock can move, and now you can see a nice recovery is happening. So maybe once the volume will come, this thing can run. That's why I'm bringing this to your attention, not saying it will just run the very next day, but bringing this to your attention. Now I'm going back to a 1 hour chart to give you a better perspective. On a 1 hour chart, you can see that the stock is trying to hold this type of area around $4, 3.9. You see the range here. This is the area it is trying to hold. So keep an eye in this particular area. If you want, you can also enter with a tight stop loss. Okay, it's up to you. But if it breaks 3.9, 3.8, this area, then our next area we will watch for 3.5, and obviously I think around $3 it should have a strong resistance. So I'm very excited to look at Btbt even on a MACD on a 1 hour chart. You can see that it is trying to reverse here at the bottom. You can see that the selling pressure is decreasing. It is trying to reverse at the bottom. So even for day trading this coming week, maybe you can think about entering at $4 and play this all the way to 4.6. 60 cents for a $4 stock is like 15% profit. Okay, and this is so easy. And just want to say that we did BXRX last Friday for 134% move. It was a nice play. And anyway, I made another video on that particular stock. I'm gonna make more videos on PLTR and CVNA, because those stock can also give you some nice return. Keep an eye, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and hit the like button if you find this video useful. But seems like it is holding for, maybe you can get a push and you can make some money. Also, if you like day trading, you want trade ideas every morning, then that's my channel. You can always come here. You can see my trade ideas where I give alert, take profit. I'm entering now 100% up, looking for an bounce. So you can just scroll through if you want. Anyway, let me know your thoughts, and yeah, have a nice weekend, and thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.